All right, guys, let's now make the triangle. So there's an equilateral triangle that needs to be developed. Now, because of how we're going to want to position this, we're going to make that equilateral triangle using our polygon tool. I'm going to go ahead and make a circumscribed polygon. So I'm going to tap here and here. That makes a hexagon. I'm going to rotate that around, make it a triangle, and then I just need to dimension it. The dimension of that is supposed to be 1.25 inches. That is 1.25 inches wide. Oops, I don't want to dimension the circle. Let me cancel that. I want to dimension that right there. The line is supposed to be 1.25 inches. So I need to get rid of, this is my bad here, I need to get rid of that. I need to get rid of that. And redo my dimension on the triangle. 1.25. It's the length of one side of the triangle. All right, so now we have our equilateral triangle.